Jainudin, welcome. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Pabuso po, tita. MVR Morty, hello, welcome. Thank you, thank you. Amaral Hack. Business Plus, good morning. I'm asking if you can donate the hair. Okay, I understand. I understand, Dark. Paulo Antonio Vamos Jantar Amiga. Okay, Dark. Anyway, you are so far also, Dark. Nice looking, beautiful. Thank you so much, Business Plus. Paulo is offering you dinner. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Paulo. God bless you. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your food, Paulo. Thank you. Yes, Arthur, I know this Paulo is good man, but although I cannot understand actually every time he commented. Dark, sorry, I don't have that much long hair now. If I have, I can do that. Melvin Itom, good morning, Langga. I love you too, baby. I miss you. Kumusta? Melvin Itom, taga saan po? Taga diin ka, Melvin Itom. May mga itom ako nga na classmates ang una. I think elementary high school. You can say boom appetite or boom appetite. Boom appetite, Paulo. Thank you so much, Paulo. Obrigada. Always like that your hair is so silky looking. Thank you, John. Thank you. I want to change the color of my hair but I cannot. Single pa ka, wala pa ka ba na lang ga? I love you, mahal na mahal kita. Naku, Melvin Itom. Taga-asa day ka, Melvin, na ako'y kailangan itom. Grow them and donate please and feature. Inshallah, Dark. Inshallah. Thank you so much, Dark. God bless. Daniel Wayu, hello, good morning. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, guys. Arkan Bas. Turkey, Arkan Bas, welcome. Okay ra nimo og jowa ta mahal. Hala, Diyos ko, Lord. Wala man ko gapangita og jowa, Melvin Itom. Wala ko gapangita og jowa ba? My age is John will tell you my age. Why change color of hair? I want John, I want to change the color of my hair but I cannot. It doesn't affect on me. Recep Tayyip Erdogan 29. Thank you, John. Nanagan iko'y apo, Melvin. Nana ko'y apo, anak pa, wala. Thank you, thank you. God bless you all. It's a lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. In a blue sky. Not totally blonde. I would just want to have ash brown. I just want to have ash brown, Jan. I don't like totally blonde also because you know I'm not white. I don't have white skin, by the way. So maybe yes, I'm here. When I'm here, I have little bit white, but when I'm in Philippines, I become dark there because we are staying near the sea. We are staying near the sea, so I become dark when I'm in Philippines. So I don't want to have blonde because it will not be nice on me. I'm here now in Bahrain, Dark. Gobi not Gobi, welcome. Thank you so much.